Welcome to our lesson about the Revolved Boss command. Let's start with a sketch on the front plane. Now I'm going to drop a profile here. Let's create a center line now. Right-click and select to close the tool. Exit the sketch. Let's activate the Revolved Boss Base tool now. Since I've got a center line, the axis of revolution is already pre-selected. However, we can select this box and then select a different axis of revolution right in the graphic area. Under End Condition, we've got many of the same options you saw in the Extruded Boss command. For example, a blind extrusion. Our revolution is 360 degrees right now. Let's decrease it by clicking on the arrows. Our other End Condition options are up to vertex, up to surface, and offset from surface. We'll be exploring these in greater detail later on. Midplane. This is an option you'll be familiar with. We also have the option to use a second direction. Just check here to enable it. And let's disable direction 2. And let's make our revolution 90 degrees. Another option is the thin feature. Check here to activate it. Let's make the thickness 2 millimeters. And we're ready to click Accept. This concludes our lesson about the Revolved Boss tool. Welcome to our lesson about the Revolved Cut. I've already created a solid. Now let's insert a sketch on the front plane. Right-click, New Sketch. Take a Normal To view. And let's activate the Rectangle tool and place our rectangle about here. Now a center line. Right-click and select to close the tool. And let's exit the sketch. Take an isometric view. Now activate the Revolved Cut command. As in our previous tutorial, since we've created a center line, the axis of revolution is already pre-selected. I'm going to accept the default settings and click OK. And Cut Revolve 1 appears as a new feature in our tree. Let's edit it. We're able to adjust the angle. And we can also adjust the revolve type. Let's try midplane. Accept. Let's edit our revolve again. Let's change the axis now. Make another selection in the graphic area. I'll use this line. And accept. And this concludes our lesson about the Revolved Cut.